So Christmas is over and I hope you had fun assembling your Porsche 911 model. Hopefully you didn't throw away the small boxes in which the little surprises were inside, because we are going to use these boxes in order to make a small artwork for our wall. So if you have noticed in the first video, at the back side of the boxes there was a photo of a 911 in black color, a very nice picture. So I'm going to assemble the little boxes in the right order. It's like a puzzle. And then using a hot glue gun, I'm going to glue all parts together. It's really easy and fast. So I'm starting with the bigger boxes at the bottom. I'm using it as a base in order to build the whole model. So you have to be careful. Yes, it's perfect. I like it very much. If you have opened carefully the little boxes, you're going to have a perfect fit without gaps between the parts. So here I made a mistake, and now it's too late to take it apart and position it in the right angle, so I have to repair it later on. So just a couple of boxes and we are ready. Look at it. That's very nice. So I have my scissor and I'm going to cut the picture, cut the upper part of this box and then glue it together. I'm using a big amount of glue in order to hold it secure in place. And that's it. We are ready, and now we have to glue one cord at the back side of the puzzle, or if you want to view both sides of the puzzle, you can glue the cord at the top of it. In order to be possible to change the direction and see the front or the back side as you desire. If you enjoyed my video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel in order to receive notifications when a new video is available. Thanks for watching and see you again in another video.